Hi guys! If your Telegram application is working slowly on your PC, you can try to fix it in a couple of simple steps. First off, open the three bars menu at the top left and go to Settings. Now select Advanced and scroll down to the Performance section. First of all, make sure the Hardware Accelerated Video Decoding is enabled, and now click on Angle Graphics Backend and select the latest Direct3D version. Now restart your application. And one more thing to do is once again go to Settings, Advanced, click on Manage Local Storage, and clear cache, clear images, clear media cache. So clear everything, click on OK. Now close the settings, and Telegram probably should work much better with these simple steps. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye guys.